Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to unfollow pages on your Facebook. Maybe you want to unfollow a pages on your Facebook but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can unfollow on your Facebook. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. What you'll need to do is to tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here, scroll down and tap on this settings and privacy. And then select on settings. And then in here, under the preferences, tap on this newsfeed. And then in here, you will see unfollow. Simply tap on this unfollow. And then in here, as you can see, you can unfollow people, pages, and groups to stop seeing their posts and feed. Only you can see who you unfollow. For example, you want to unfollow this page, simply tap on the unfollow. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can unfollow page or account on your Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to unfollow on your Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.